Bafana Bafana's 2025 COSAFA Cup campaign began on a sore note as they suffered a narrow 1-0 defeat to Mozambique in their Group A opener at the Free State Stadium on Wednesday. Despite dominating possession and dictating the tempo for large parts of the match, the South African national team failed to make their dominance count, squandering numerous scoring opportunities in a frustrating evening for coach Helman Kelele's side. The host started brightly and nearly found an early breakthrough when Kamogelo Sebelebele tried his luck from a range inside the first 10 minutes, only to see his efforts sail over the crossbar. Mozambique, however, offered a reminder of their threat with two chances in quick succession, one from a set piece that was cleared by Ima Ocon and another in the 14th minute when Antonio Sombane forced a smart save from Takasani Mbanjwa. From then on, it was largely one-way traffic. Bafana Bafana caved out several promising chances, with Vuyo Letlapa firing wide from close range. The attacking duo of Captain Victor Lutsalo and Puso Ditejane, supported by Kabelo Dlamini and Sanele, burns down the right flank, were industrious but wasteful in the final third, a theme that would haunt the host throughout the match. The teams went into the break goalless, with South Africa left to rue their missed opportunities. The second half began without substitutions, and when it came a noticeable dip in intensity, Mozambique began to find their rhythm on the counter, nearly breaking the deadlock in the 56th minute. Oscar Semane rattled the woodlock with a powerful effort, and Ditejane turned the rebound into his own net. However, the goal was ruled out by a VAR for offside in the build-up, a momentary reprieve for the host. Mozambique eventually made their pressure count in the 73rd minute. Sombane, a constant menace, capitalized on a loose ball following a punch by Mbanjwa to fire home what would prove to be the winner. Bafana Bafana had a glimmer of hope 6 minutes later when appeals for a handball against Samwane inside the Mozambique box were reviewed. However, VAR once again favoured the visitors and the penalty was not awarded. South Africa will now turn their attention to a must-win clash against Zimbabwe on Saturday as they seek to revive their COSAFA Cup hopes. Meanwhile, Hugo Bros says he will run the role of our new players when Bafana Bafana take on Tanzania in an international friendly set for the Peter Mokaba Stadium in Polokwane. South Africa come into the match on the back of successive 2-0 wins over Lesotho and Benin away, in match which kept them firmly on track to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, and the chance to take a closer look at different players in the international window, especially with Mamelodi Sundowns stars unavailable due to their participation in the upcoming FIFA World Cup, will be valuable for Bafana Bafana ahead of the resumption of the World Cup qualifiers in September, when they will face crunch matches against Lesotho and Nigeria. Bros said, "We play friendly games. I think it's a good opportunity to everyone to prove themselves, to show their qualities for us to make evaluations after these two friendly games. Sundowns has always been very important in the national team. We will do it without the Sundowns players, and having too many players from one club is not good." Tanzania, who are also preparing for the resumption of World Cup qualifiers in September as well as the upcoming CECAFA Senior Men's Challenge Cup, were last in action in March, recording a 3-0 home win over Congo and 2-0 defeat away to Morocco. In head-to-head stats, South Africa and Tanzania have met in 3 previous matches. The first was a Four Nations tournament match in October 2002, which ended 1-1. Before the Tafia Stars won on penalties. The second saw Bafana Bafana win 1-0 in a friendly in 2011, and the latest meeting was a 2017 COSAFA Cup clash in which the East Africans triumphed 1-0. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.